Everyone, this is Kijmo Vlogs, the Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna ito reaction video, ang Bakulawan. Ang Bakulawan ni Regine Velasquez and the nation's mom, Clarice D. Guzman, for today's video. Hindi mo kaya, tingnan natin kung sino dito ang magpapakabog at magpapatalbugan. Charis, so without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Theater Awards event in the US, recognizing excellence in the Broadway industry. Presenter ang first ever Pinoy Tony winner na si Miss Lea Salonga.
Miss Lea Salonga.
Sa pagkapanalo ni Darren Criss bilang best performance by
Ay, ang gwapo naman to ni Darren Criss.
ending. 2 Tony Awards naman ang tinanggap ng music director at orchestrator na si Marco Pagano
Orchestrator.
for his winning orchestration in Buena Vista Social Club.
Ay,
Highlight ang pagkapanalo ni Nicole Scherzinger,
ay, oo si Nicole.
best performance by an actress in a leading role in a musical for her portrayal
Taray.
of Norma Desmond sa classic musical na Sunset Boulevard.
Sunset Boulevard.
We continue to celebrate our fellow Filipinos' victories, performing the show-stopping song from Sunset Boulevard As If We Never Said Goodbye.
As if we never say goodbye.
The Songbird, Clarice and Regine.
Eto na sila. Eto na talaga sila for today's video. Ay, gusto ko yung atake nila for today's video. Sa totoo lang. Kalmado. Grabe yung vibrato ng Regine. Ayan na yung nation's mom. Ay, kalmado siya, oh. Wow. Wait lang, I never thought talaga na si Clarice pala can sing something like a musical, something like a theater song. Kasi parang ganito klase yung genre ng song na to eh. Something like theater song. Napaka ano naman ito, the emotions, the enunciation is very giving, should I say. Kalmado sila. Wow. Wow. Wait, can we just repeat that? Atake si Ma'am Reg. Atake si Ma'am Reg. Ibigay mo yan, Clarice. I-emote mo yan. Ito yung mga magandang collab, hindi lang puro sigaw, hindi naman sa sigaw, pero I mean pataasan ng boses. Yung tipong alam mo yung very Sunday vibe talaga for today's video. We all know na belter din talaga si Clarice, right? Hindi talaga natin madidinayan na belter siya. Pero sometimes mga ganitong klaseng execution, mga ganitong klaseng kanta talaga is mai-enjoy mo din talaga siya. Just like, mapatulala ka na lang din talaga at alam mo yung tipong dapat nga gagawa ako ng reaction video. Yung tipong alam mo yung dapat marami akong sasabihin, pero parang natameme na lang talaga ako sa kanila. Sa totoo lang. Ganda ng delivery ni Clarice dito ah. In fairness, mga first time ko si Clarice marinig na kumanta na tipong may mga ganitong klase din naman siyang kinakanta. Pero usually kasi, nagbe-belt talaga siya. Pero dito sate lang talaga siya. Si Ma'am Shuraj lang yung nag-belt kanina. Diba? Kaya lang yung atake nila. Very Sunday vibe. Sunday na Sunday ang atake. Yes. Ay, emote si Mom. Emote si Mom, oh. Yes. Alright, there we go guys. This is for today's video. Mom, Clarice de Guzman and Regine Velasquez serenade us this Sunday. This is KG Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.